Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in everyday language and sensory experiences. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as soft, soft. Here we go again. Soft. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as soft, soft. Here we go again. Soft. It refers to a texture that is gentle and not hard, often used to describe materials like fabric, foam, or even a person's demeanor. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.